I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette masala. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, a finely chopped onion, and a green chili for a little kick. Don't forget your spices: 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of oil or butter ready for the pan. Now let's prepare the mixture. Crack your 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them until they are light and frothy. Next, add your finely chopped onion, green chili, and all the prepared spices directly into the egg mixture. Stir everything together really well, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed for the best flavor. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour your egg mixture in, spreading it out evenly to form a nice, round omelette. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and set. Your delicious omelette masala is almost ready. Carefully fold the cooked omelette in half and gently slide it onto a serving plate. If you like, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves over the top for extra flavor and presentation. Serve it immediately with your favorite toast, bread, or as a quick, satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.